Mark 4. Again, Jesus come begin teach people for the water side. Since people wey gather around am many, he enter boat dey teach the people as them sit down for ground near the water. He come teach them many things for parable, say, make una lis ten. One farmer go plant seed for him farm. As he dey plant, some seed fall for road and birds come chop them. Others fall for where stones and sand dey. Them quick grow come out because good soil no dey there. When sun come out, e burn the plant because them no get deep root, them can die. Others fall for where shuku dey, and when them grow come out, the shuku shook them die. But others fall for better ground. Them grow well, come bear other seeds. Some bear reach 30, some 60, and some 100. Jesus can say, anybody wey get ear, make he hear wetin I dey talk. When Jesus dey alone, people wey dey with am and him 12 disciples come ask am about the parable. He come tell them, God don show una the kingdom secret, but those wey dey outside God kingdom, na parable e be for them. So that them go dey look, but them no go see. Them go dey hear, but them no go understand. And them no go fit turn from their sin come meet God, make he forgive them. Jesus can ask them, una no understand this parable? Then how una go take understand any other parable? Na God word the farmer dey plant. Some people be like the seed wey fall for road. Anytime them hear God word, Satan go come thief am from them quick. Some be like the seeds wey fall for where stones and sand dey. As them hear God word, them go receive am with happiness. And because them no get root and patience, when trouble or wahala come because of the word, them go forget God word. Others be like the seeds wey fall for where shuku full. Them hear the word, but trouble for life, big eye for money, and the way them dey run follow other things go come block the word, and e no go bear anything for their life. But the ones wey fall for better ground, na those wey hear the word come receive am and bear many fruits. Some bear reach 30, some 60, and some 100. Jesus still ask them, people dey hide lamp for under basket, no be on top the place where them dey keep lamp them suppose put am? E no get wetin people hide wey God no go show, and e no get wetin dey for secret now wey no go come out for open. If anybody get ear, make he hear wetin I dey talk. Jesus can tell them, make una dey careful for wetin una dey hear, because na wetin you use take measure give other people, na him God go take measure for you too, and he go add join am. Because anybody wey get, God go give am more, but anybody wey no get, even the small one wey he get, God go take am from am. Jesus can say, God kingdom be like person wey scatter seed for ground. The person go sleep and wake up day and night, the seed go grow come out, even though the man no know how it take happen. As plant dey grow from ground, the body go first come out, then the head go bear fruit, and seed go come out from inside. When e ripe, the farmer go cut am, because the time to pluck wetin e plant don reach. Jesus can ask them, wetin we go take compare God kingdom? Which parable we go fit use take show as e be? E be like mustard seed wey be the seed wey small pass for the world wey person plant for ground. After them don plant am, e go grow come big pass all the other plants, and im branches go big, and birds go land come build their nest for there. Now with many parables like this one, Jesus take preach God words to them, so that them go fit understand. E no get wetin he tell them wey e no use parable, but when only him and the disciples dey, he dey explain everything give them. When evening reach that day, Jesus come tell him disciples, make we cross go the other side for the river. So after them leave the people, them enter the boat where Jesus sit down, and other boats still dey there with them. Then strong breeze come dey blow, and water dey enter the boat, so the boat come dey wan sink. But Jesus put him head for pillow dey sleep inside the boat. Then them call am dey say, teacher, you no even care say we wan die? So Jesus get up come command the breeze. Then he tell the river, make you quiet. The breeze stop, and everywhere come quiet at once. Then Jesus tell them, "Why una dey fear? Una still no get faith?" Fear catch them well well, and them come dey ask each other, "Who this man be sef? Even breeze and river dey obey am."
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.